Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how I turn an old $15 IKEA bistro table into an elegant, sophisticated, and high-end looking side table. In this before shot, you can see the table is brown. I bought this table years ago, marked down, and as you can see, it was priced at only $15. I believe it used to be a display model. Here in the after shot, you can see that I have transformed the table into a glamorous, more high-end looking piece that would pair well with any sophisticated, elegant living room or bedroom decor. To begin, I will show you the materials I used in this furniture makeover. And unless otherwise stated, all materials are from the dollar store. First, we will need some silver metallic paint. I have chosen two types. The first is a can of spray paint easily found at your local hardware store. The second paint option is a bottle of acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. I use this to do touch-ups and I will show you why later. We will also need a bottle of silver glitter. This 15-gram bottle is from Dollar Tree and is ultra fine. An alternative would be this larger 80-gram bottle from Dollarama, which is also extra fine. Both can be used, or you may choose a larger glitter available at other craft stores. We will also need a string of flat back white round pearl beads. Dollar Tree sells the pearl beads individually, but I bulk purchased this roll from Amazon. And for the star of this furniture makeover, we will need some clear square round gems. The Dollarama has these sticker versions that are absolutely beautiful and convenient to use since they are in sticker format. However, I have opted for these pieces that I purchased in bulk from Alibaba. They're the same size as the stickers but require glue to adhere them. And to help us with today's furniture makeover, we will be using some Mod Podge. This one I have opted for comes in a gloss finish. We will also need some foam brushes. If you don't have any, you could opt for a regular paintbrush, the largest size you can find. We will also need some clear tacky glue, some painter's tape, and our handy dandy glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. To start, here you can see that I have spray painted the IKEA table with silver metallic paint. This was done over the summer, so you can see several months have passed and I have marks on the table because I inadvertently put a placemat on the table surface before the spray paint was fully cured. So we will be using some acrylic paint in silver metallic to touch up the scratch marks. This step is actually optional. If you are currently experiencing winter in a warmer climate, you could opt to redo the spray paint in an outdoor well-ventilated area. Before I work on the table, I want to detach the legs from the table surface. This will make it easier for me to work on the table and film at the same time. The legs are screwed in, so we will need a screwdriver to remove the screws. Next, we will apply strips of painter's tape to the back side of the table to cover the holes that make up the star design. I have chosen painter's tape only because it is much easier to remove than any other type of tape. And while we work on this, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. The next step is to turn the table surface right side up and take a small paintbrush to touch up the scratched up areas with some silver metallic acrylic paint. Once again, this step is optional, so it doesn't have to be perfect. We will be covering the entire table surface later anyhow. Once the paint is dry, go in and line the border of the table surface with a string of pearl beads. For this, I'm using a tacky glue gel rather than hot glue, as I want to make sure that I can adjust the placement of the pearls into a perfect circle when creating the border. This tacky glue, although dries fast, still gives you much more time than hot glue to make adjustments, and once dried, it is clear. Once the glue is dry and the pearl bead border is firmly adhered to the table, it's time to sprinkle a layer of silver glitter. For this, we will need to apply a generous layer of Mod Podge first. Here you can see that I'm working on one half of the table surface first. This will ensure that the Mod Podge does not dry out before I have the chance to apply the silver glitter onto the table surface. Once you have the table surface covered with a layer of silver glitter, lift the table and hold its position vertically so you can gently tap off the excess glitter. Here I'm tapping the table, and then I will take the excess glitter and return it into the glitter bottle so that there's minimum wastage. The first layer of glitter may take several hours to dry, but once dry, follow the same process as before to go in with the second layer of Mod Podge and glitter. Once the second layer fully dries, then go in with a final layer of Mod Podge to seal everything in. The final layer of Mod Podge may also take several hours to fully dry. And here's what the table looks like so far, but we are not done yet. The final step is to adhere the rhinestone crystal gems to the side of the table. For this, I will be adhering 2 rows using hot glue. And here's the final look for our made-over, upscaled IKEA bistro table. Look how gorgeous and elegant it is. I can barely recognize it. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm looking for suggestions on what I could use the table for and what I should place on it. Maybe a table lamp or a candle plus some pictures. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.